Hi, this is Angela, your STS representative from Team 7. Today you will learn how to use Google Keep as a homework planner. On the left-hand side, you will see all of the subjects that you are currently taking. And if you need to add more subjects, click on Create New Label and add the new class. And then click Done. If you have certain assignments that you want to add, you can click on the assignment that it is. For example, if you have something for language arts that you need to finish, you can create your language arts folder and then click on Take a Note. For example, if you need to finish your essay, you can type Finish Your Essay. And if you have certain steps you still need to take, such as create introduction, paragraph, or make new transitions, you can put that. And then you can set a reminder so that you don't forget to do your assignment, and you can pick your time and your date. For example, you can set it for tomorrow, and then you can click Save, and then click Close. And then there will be a reminder reminding you to do your new assignment at the time that you chose. And once you finish your assignment, you can delete your note, and you can do the same thing for all of your other subjects.